What's up guys, this is Ronak and we are here to unbox this Digitech lightweight tripod, the DTR 550LW. This is a very entry level tripod which suits budding photographers and people who create a lot of online content for websites like YouTube or TikTok, or even want to go live on Facebook or Insta. Why I chose Digitech over other brands is that the build and the height which this offers at this price range. As you can see, this is a 5 feet 7 inch variant which I had got from Amazon at around 1500 rupees. I'll leave the link in the description box below. If I had gone for another brand with a similar height, it would have costed me around $1000 extra. As you can see, this is the packaging it comes in. There are some specifications mentioned on this side of this box, and there are some features also mentioned on the adjacent side. We'll go through some of the specifications and the features once we unbox and set up the tripod. To just give you an overview of the features and specifications, I'll just read them out a bit. It says the maximum load it can carry, which is mentioned here as 5 kgs, which is quite impressive. The minimum and maximum height is mentioned over here, that is the minimum being 2 feet and the maximum being 5 feet 7 inches. Then the features, some features mentioned here are it's a two-way adjustable head, then an accessory hook which is provided, then bubble heads are provided at the end to make sure that it stays in horizontal position, and also there is a quick release plate at the head. So let's finally unbox this tripod. So as you can see, it comes in this black carry-on bag, which comes with a strap for easy convenient use. If you want to take this carry-on with this tripod to some location, it can be very conveniently hold. It also comes with a small chain which covers 1/3 of its length to open the carry-on. Once you open the carry-on, the tripod comes out. So this is the tripod, guys. I'll just unwrap this. Okay, so guys, this is the tripod which we are talking about. As you can see, this is the head. As you can see, guys, this is the head of the tripod, which is two-way adjustable. You can either tilt or even pan the head. The head also comes with a quick release plate, which I'll show you by setting up my DSLR. And there is a bubble head which is provided here. There are some screws and nuts to tighten the movement or smoothen the movement of this bubble head. There is also a neck which can be extended if you want to use the full height of the tripod. And these are the legs. In this position, the tripod measures up to around 2 feet in height. And then if you want to increase the height by extending the legs of the tripod, you can do the same by unclamping this clamps. So these are the 3 legs. And if you want to use it in this position itself, you need to just open the legs and tighten up the screw, and so this will hold in position. If you want to extend the legs, then you have to open this clamp and then pull the leg or pull the section from inside. It has 2 sections, so it can be extended twice. So this is the first extension, and then unclamp this to hold it in position. And then if you want to again extend it to its second extension, then again unclamp this and then pull the leg from inside and then clamp it again to hold it in position. So this is the total height, which it goes to around 4.5 feet with all the sections of the leg extended. And then if you want to use the base height, then you need to again unclamp this and then push the leg inside, clamp it again, unclamp this, push the leg inside, and then again clamp it. So this is how you extend the legs of the tripod. We'll just go through how to set up a camera on this base plate. For that, I'll just extend one leg of the tripod so that it can be set up easily over here. So as you can see, I have set up my tripod over here, and I'll use my DSLR to just show you how to fix the camera on the top of this quick release plate. First you need to remove this quick release plate. I'll show you how to open this quick release plate. So there is a knob here. You need to turn the knob in the free position. Take out this quick release plate which has a screw fixed at this bottom, and then this plate you need to you can just tight it at the bottom of your DSLR or a mobile stand if you have. Once you are done, just again turn the knob to its free position, and then slide the quick release plate, and then turn the knob again in the lock position. Once it is in the lock position, the camera is all set. So this is how you basically fix the camera. I'll again remove it just to make sure everything is very visible. The next feature is that if you want to set up the camera in a different position, for example, we had set up the camera in a landscape position, and then if you want to set up in a portrait position, you need to loosen the screw, and by loosening it, you can just rotate this plate, and once you have rotated the plate, you can just tighten it up so that it remains in position. Next feature is this two-way adjustable head. You can either pan the head, or even you can tilt the head this way. Basically, this knob determines how smoothly the head pans, or how smoothly the head moves in the horizontal direction. If you loosen it, it will be a smooth movement, and then if you tighten it, it will be a bit hard. For the tilt movement, the tilt movement is controlled by this knob itself. If you lose this knob, then the tilt movement will be very smooth, and then if you tighten it, you can the tilt movement will be a bit hard. Also, the bubble head, you can control it by tilting the head to the desired level, or till the level the bubble becomes in the center. Now if you want to extend the neck of the tripod, that is, if you want to use the tripod for a height of more than 4.5 feet up to 5 feet 7 inches, then there is a neck which is provided here, which you need to extend. To extend the neck, first you need to unscrew this or just loose it up a bit, and then with the help of this lever, you can extend this neck. And once you have reached the desired height, you have to tight the screw again, and you'll be all set. I'll again get this back to its original position. One other feature which I've noticed in this tripod is the handle which is provided here, which can be used or which is used to carry the tripod to a different location when the tripod is all set up, and even the camera is set up, so that you don't need to remove out all the accessories and unclamp the tripod again. So this is a very useful they are provided here. Also, they have provided a hook, a necessary hook at the bottom, which can be used to hang some accessories if needed. So this is the unboxing, guys. I'll just push the legs back again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know how you found this tripod, or if you use some other tripod by commenting down below. Thank you guys. Hope to see you soon in a new video. Thank you.